Okay, the noise. Where are you?
Ah, there's my co-star.
Co-star?
Yep, and if you want this key, you'll play your part.
Oh no.
Ready, everybody? Tune into the party! Oh, here comes the noise, rearing for a confrontation. Nothing hypes up a beat done like worldwide adulation. It's been a little while, bet you can't wait to see the grand return of the noise and the goods he employs on RecD.
Noise, what is this? Don't you want to fight?
In time, Italian man, we gotta set this up right. Been months, years, decades since the last time I sent this pasty pasta punk Pepino through a noodle incident. That was dangerous noise, that poor man could have died. Dumb producers pulled the plug on silence me, guess me aside. Settle down in a quiet town for a little while. Got a wife, peaceful married life, I had been beguiled. My glory days of pranks and praise were left on mute till a mysterious benefactor offered me a reboot.
You're middle-aged like me, the noise. Give up and go home.
Are you chicken? More come at me, noise is calling, pick a phone. Everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some Sean Brown, turn your CMT to MTV and keep it there. You're gonna love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed, but enjoy. And make some noise.
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 Make some noise. You wanna see Pepino Pummel? Make some noise. Oh, there goes the noise, now I'm on the attack. Doing sick tricks and the kickflips and the kicking you in the back. All the skater boys told me see you later noise. I weaponized my crashes, now I'm a gladiator noise.
Oh, this jumping and dodging's really bad for my stress.
Relax, you're gonna lose in 30 seconds or less. We're blowing up, look at these ratings, I still got that noise charm. Speaking of blowing up, have some bombs to blow up your heart. Ain't my goofy weapons worth a chuckle or two? They were everyone's obsession up until I met you. I had everything, man, a private plot, a million fans, but you couldn't take a joke on my whole operation can. You know, this pizza crusher crushes more than pizzas around here, so how about I crush your spine like you crushed my career? Gotcha, I won't break you like the Lone Star you built. Don't be wary, have some dairy.
This isn't milk!
Everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some Sean Brown, turn your CRT to MTV. Keep it there, you're gonna love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed, of enjoy. And make some noise.
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 Make some noise. You wanna see the fun part? Make some noise.
Oh, I don't feel so good. What was that?
Just a little blend of everything my wife cooked last night. Wah, wah, wah.
Why would you blend that?
For the dance, of course.
You want me to dance?
Nope. Everybody listen well. Got a trend to sell. If you want some sweet revenge, you come and gather around to kick Pepino while he's down. You're gonna love the sounds. Keep on kicking like an engine, guys. Enjoy. Make some noise.
Make some noise. Make some noise.
What the hell, noise?
Make some noise.
This isn't a dance.
You wanna see me end this? Make some noise. It's been fun, Italian man. You've been awful good sportly. But all things have an end. Yours is coming very shortly. I dug up my old minigun. Remember this? I fragged you good last time I used it. This time I won't miss.
Noise, it's time for our dinner day. We bought it months ago and I just can't wait.
Crap, that was tonight?
Don't worry, babe, it's okay. I saw you blended that dinner, so I blended yours today.
Make sure he drinks it all. He's got to recharge his voice. He might have just lost our battle, but he made a lot of noise.